How to fix Samsung A16 Wi-Fi calling drains the battery. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. Open the main page of your settings. And then you can see the option connections. Now click on connections. And here you can see the option flight mode. Now turn on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times. After turning on or off flight mode 2 to 3 times, then go back and scroll down and open device care and click on software update, and here you can check your latest software will be updated or not. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After updating the latest software, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.